Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to wire in a 15 amp. I would call it a 20 amp, but I can't because it's only got 14 gauge wire. If you're going to go 20 amp, you should have 12 gauge wire or better. So what we're going to do is we're going to silicone this on. It'll help it with strength too right away. So I already drilled a hole through, and I already drilled these through there so I can mark it so it'll make it a lot simpler. Because obviously this is just going to run, I mean later on I'm going to run this is 14 gauge wire. Don't run anything smaller than this, by the way. Don't use an extension cord. This is actual wire I bought, but it's only 14 gauge. So now I'm going to shove this through that hole hopefully. If I can find it. Then I put one of those these on there so that way I can so nobody pulls it through the wall and pulls the wires off. Because some people pull on the dang cord, they don't pull on the I'll show you what I'm doing here in a minute. Okay. So anyway, let's get you off here. Good here. Touching buttons here. So now we got, it's just a 15 amp circuit, but so I put a wire deal in here and then the wire goes through there. I'm gonna cock this up quick, this hole. Now when you pull on this, you gotta pull the whole goddamn wall down. You can tuck it in here and close the door, you know. You tuck that sucker right in there, close that, or you can use it in use. So I'm gonna cock that up quick.